Alright, area everyone. This is about a block off of Chicago Avenue. Kind of an update video to the one I've posted earlier. And right now it's very windy. And getting some drifts off the top of the buildings here. And as you can see down there, some snow drifts. So anyways, it's the start of the blizzard. It's kind of like a freezing drizzle right now, and with the amount of wind, it's forcing the moisture and the precipitation back upward into the sky, where it kind of refreezes and gains a little bit of size and diameter. And so as you can see right there, definitely going to be a bad blizzard tonight. So anyways, I'll make an update video, and I'll actually go out and I'll measure the snow in about 6 hours or so from now, just to give you a better idea of what all's going on. So anyways, take care guys. Thanks for watching.